day and welcome at the Learning Afrikaans channel. Vandag gaan ons kleure doen. Today we do colors. Okay, before I start, I would like to teach you a little sound called R. In English you would say R, but in Afrikaans we pronounce it R or R. Okay, a way to exercise this sound is to think about a really cold day. When you go outside and you go brrr. Okay, let's do that. Brrr or rrr. Okay, let's go with the colors. Geel. Geel. Rooi. Rooi. Blauw. Blauw. Groen. Groen. Paars. Paars. So there's that R sound, nee? The R. Paars. Bruin. Bruin. Pink. Pink. Grys. Grys. So the G and the R is right next to one another. Grys. Wit. Wit. Swart. Swart. Okay, last but not least, oranje. Oranje. It ends with an H sound, the same as ja and nee would do. Oranje. 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 Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys subscribe so you can learn Afrikaans in no time. Baie dankie. Tot ziens. Have a wonderful day.